Welcome to Neurature Polytechnic. I am Simma Raut, part of General Science Department, subject Mathematics. Chapter number is 6. Topic is sphere, and today we will talk about equation of a sphere passing through 4 points. So let's see. Here let it be this is a sphere, and there have given 4 points on the circumference of the sphere, or you can say that the sphere passing through these 4 points. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is z-axis, this is the origin. There are 0, 0, 0, 0 means x coordinate is 0, y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0. So this is origin, this is x-axis, y-axis and this is z-axis. Here 4 points are given. A point is x1, y1, z1. B point is x2, y2, z2. C point is x3, y3, z3. And last point, fourth point is D, x4, y4, z4. So that means there are given only 4 points which are on the circumference of the sphere, and also you can say that the sphere passing through these 4 points. Let's see. To find the equation of a sphere passing through 4 points, let the equation, first of all we should let it be the equation of the sphere be our general equation of the sphere. Equation number 1, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus t equals to 0. This is let it be equation number 1. This is our sphere equation. Let's see. Since it passes through the given 4 points, that means the sphere passing through 4 points, that means each and every point satisfy the sphere equation, means equation number 1. That means what? Each and every point putting on the equation number 1, that should be satisfied. First point is what? x1, y1, z1. Just putting on equation number 1 instead of x, x1, instead of y, y1, instead of z, z1, we get this equation number 2. That means x1 whole square plus y1 whole square plus z1 whole square plus 2ux1 plus 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus t equals to 0. Let it be this is equation number 2. And in this way, similarly, we can find out point for point number 2, point number 3, point number 4. Point number 2 is what? x2, y2, z2. Instead of x, we put down x2. Instead of y, we put down y2. Instead of z, we put down z2. In equation number, what we get now? x2 whole square plus y2 whole square plus z2 whole square plus 2ux2 plus 2vy2 plus 2wz2 plus t equals to 0. Let it be this is equation number 3. In this way, x3 whole square plus y3 whole square plus z3 whole square plus 2ux3 plus 2vy3 plus 2wz3 plus t equals to 0. Let it be this is equation number 4. In this way, similarly, last point we should put in equation number 1. Last point, x4 whole square plus y4 whole square plus z4 whole square plus 2ux4 plus 2vy4 plus 2wz4 plus t equals to 0. Let it be equation number 5. Then, solving these 4 equations, what are the equations? Equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4 and equation number 5. By various methods. One method is elimination method, substitution method and another is cross multiplication method. Solving these 4 equations by various methods, find the value of constants u, v, w, d. We have unknowns which are u, v, w, d. Our work is if just solving these 4 equations, we find out u, v, w, d value. Then we put these values u, v, w, d value or constants in equation number 1. Then we get the required sphere equations. So let's see for example. Obtain the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and the points A 0, 0, 0, B 0, 0, 0, C. So first of all, there are origin is a point and another 3 points are given. That means totally 4 points are given on the sphere. So that means sphere passing through these 4 points, and also you can say that these 4 points lies on the circumference of the sphere. That means first of all we should let the equation of the sphere is our general equation. Equation number 1. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus t equals to 0. Let it be this is equation number 1. Since it passing through given 4 points. First is origin. Origin means 0, 0, 0. And second point is A, 0, 0. Third point is 0, B, 0. So fourth point is 0, 0, C. That means what? Equation number 1 should be satisfied these 4 points. That means what? Each one point is should be satisfied the equation. Means we just put down instead of x, first for first point, instead of x we put down 0, instead of y we put down 0, instead of z we put down 0 in equation number 1. That should be satisfied. LHS must be RHS. We just put down instead of x 0, y 0, z 0, then we get d equals to 0. Instead of x, second point you used here, instead of x put down a, and instead of y put down 0, instead of z put down 0, then we get what? A square plus ua 2ua equals to 0. That means u equals to minus a by 2. Then b square plus 2vb equals to 0. Similarly, v equals to minus b by 2. Then c square plus 2wc equals to 0. That means what? W equals to minus c by 2. So here d equals to 0 already. We got it. Then we just put down in these equations what we get now. U equals to minus a by 2, v equals to minus b by 2, w equals to minus c by 2. Putting these values of u, v, w, d in equation number 1, what we get now? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 minus a by 2 into x plus 2v minus b by 2y plus 2 minus c by 2z plus 0, d equals to 0 equals to 0. That means what we get now? 2 cancel. Here also 2 cancel. Here cancel 2. Then what we get now? X square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus ay minus cz equals to 0 is the required equation of the sphere. So let's see another example. Obtain the equation of the sphere that passes through the points 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 with its center in the plane. Center is lies on the plane. This is the plane equation. 3x minus y plus z equals to 2. Let's start. What is the solution? Let the equation of the sphere be, let it be the general equation of the sphere. Equation number 1. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. Since it passes through these 3 points, only 3 points are given. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. That means what? These 3 points must be satisfied the equation number 1. That means you put down each of the point on the equation. What you get? 3 equations is there. First point is 1, 0, 0. Instead of x you put down 1. Instead of y you put down 0. Instead of z you put down 0. In equation number 1, what we get now? 1 plus 2u plus d equals to 0. Equation number 2 let it be. Then another point is that 0, 1, 0. Just put down in equation number 1. Instead of x 0, instead of y 1, instead of z 0. What you get now? 1 plus 2v plus d equals to 0. Let it be. This is equation number 3. Another point is 0, 0, 1. That means instead of x 0, instead of y 0, instead of z 1. Putting in equation number 1. What we get now? 1 plus 2w plus d equals to 0. Let it be. This is equation number 4. Again, center of the sphere. That means center must be minus u minus v minus w. We know that. Lies on the plane 3x minus y plus z equals to 2. That means this point center must be satisfy this plane equation. That means instead of x we just put down minus u, instead of y you put down minus v, instead of z put down minus w in plane equation. What we get now? Minus 3u plus b minus w equals to 5. Let it be equation number 5 this is. So solving these 4 equations, equation 2, 3, 4 and 5. What do we get now? Equation number 2 minus equation number 3, we get u equals to v. From equation number 3 minus equation number 4, what do we get now? W equals to v. That means u, v, w all are same. Then putting these equations in equation number 5, what do we get now? U, v, w equals to minus 2 by 3 and d equals to 1 by 3. The required equation of the sphere is, we just put down these values in equation number 1. What do we get now? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2u. U is what? Minus 2 by 3 into x plus 2v. V is minus 2 by 3y plus 2w is minus 2 by 3 into z plus d is what? 1 by 3. Just put down these values of u, v, w, d in equation number 1. what we get now? This is 3x square minus 4 by 3x, here minus 4 by 3y, here minus 4 by 3z plus 1 by 3. LCM should be 3. What we get? 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4z plus 1 equals to 0. This by 3 is multiplied with 0, then what we get now? 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4z plus 1 equals to 0. This is our required equation of the sphere. So next video we talk about equation of the sphere and point of diameter form of sphere. So have a good day. Thank you.